Oh my god, highlights suck.
Good day, y'all. Today I'm gonna try this Icarus cartridge from Wormhole Tattoo Supply. And here's already my setup. I'm gonna start with this round shader, 3 round shader, 12 gauge. It has a unique colorway and a minimalistic look. It's sharp and penetrates the skin well. You can easily pack colors using this round shader. For comparison, it's similar to Police Cartridge Needles by CNC Tattoo Supply, and it's also cheaper than other brands. On this part, I use 10 gauge 15 round Magnum, and yes, it is sharp and gives me smoother shading. My machine is running in 8.5 volts and 4mm stroke. I'm using Wormhole Pro wireless tattoo machine. A very recommendable tattoo machine as well. This tattoo machine is cheap, but there's a lot of features in it. It's best in dotworks and pointillism, microrealism. If you want to try their products, you can direct order on their website, Wormhole Tattoo Supply. They have a good quality tattoo products. Tattoo needles is sharp. Machine has a lot of features, and also the price is very reasonable. So if you want to try, DM Wormhole Tattoo Supply or go direct on their website. On this part, I use round shader, 9 round shader. It gives me a realistic look, not too sharp, not too cartoonish. So I often use round shaders on my tattoo works. If you want to see my portfolio, you can visit my Instagram page at Mac Tattoo or Facebook, Mark Kevin Bayot. And if you like my works, don't forget to hit like, follow, and share if you wanna share it. New 3 round shader and start to put some whites. On this part, my clients start feeling the pain.
Oh my god, highlights suck.
Double the pain.
Yeah. Holy shit.
I didn't get a chance to finish all the whites because I know the client's in too much pain. I can feel it. I can see it on her reaction. I only put whites on the most important part of the design, so it will still look stand out. We were both happy with the outcome. Me and my client is happy. I will take this opportunity to say thank you to all of my sponsor, and here's the final result. If you like this tattoo, don't forget to hit the like button, the follow button, or share if you want to share it. Thank you and have a great weekend, y'all.